this IGNOU University, which is an open university where we have got students ranging from the age group of 18 years to even 90 years. We have one of our learners. See, that's why we call you learners and we do not call you students, because there is no age bar for a person to learn anything. And we have a registered student who is 93 years old. So I first of all congratulate you to take a since you have taken admission in so many PG courses. And see, the system of IGNOU is totally different as compared to other universities. It is an open university. It was established by the Act of Parliament. And taking admission here is very easy, but passing it out is little difficult. But of course, it requires lots and lots of perseverance. And the main thing is that there should be efforts from your side. I don't want to discourage you by saying so, but the only thing I want to point out here is that we have devised the system in such a way that if you study on your own, very, very easily you will be able to pass it out. We have granted you sufficient flexibility too. The time period provided is more than the other universities. And here we have got two-phase program. One is the print media and other is we have got learner support system. In the print media, we have got study material. I understand due to this COVID-19, a few of you have not been able to receive your study material, but we have got online material available to all of you. And one is eGyan course, and there is another link on IGNOU, which is IGNOU e-content. Even you can go to Google Play Store and just download that, and you can very easily access the study material there. Then another thing is that we have got our learner support centers where your each and every query will be handled. There is a schedule which is notified on the website of IGNOU as well as on the websites of various learner support centers. And there you can see what is your schedule. And following the schedule, see, all of us understand due to this COVID-19, there has been lots and lots of problems which are being faced. And that is why we are trying to cope up, and we are trying our level best to even hold this induction program, which is a virtual induction program. And what you can do is that now all the study centers, various study centers, there are trying to hold virtual classes. These virtual classes will be held maybe through Zoom app, maybe through Google app, maybe through WebEx. Due to through these various apps, we'll be holding virtual classes. And we'll try to provide you the best support possible. You need not hurry at all. You have got ample time, because the examinations which you have to appear, that will be in December 2020. Don't rush through. Your last date of assignment submission is also 30th September 2020. So just go through the study material. Study material is divided into units, and these units are again subdivided. Then if you see the syllabus, there are some credit points allocated to each course. 1 credit point means total 30 hours you have to devote to that. A few hours will be devoted by the study centers, the various academic counselors will be addressing you. They will be taking your counseling sessions. Be prepared before the counseling session. Go through the study material. Ask your difficulties from the counselor. So that is one part of it. Another is that you have to attempt the assignments. Those assignments are already there on the website. So download those assignments and try attempting them. Whatever difficulties you are facing, you can take the help of the academic counselors. Academic counselors will be briefing you regarding the various subjects. As far as Bharati College Center is concerned, see, we have got an IGNOU link also at the Bharati College website. Then this YouTube channel is also there where we'll be notifying the schedule. But I'm also briefing you that on 2nd of May 2020, for all the courses, we are starting the counseling sessions. The schedule will be notified very, very shortly, and it will be very much there on the IGNOU website. You will be also receiving an SMS from IGNOU regarding your classes, which will be starting from 2nd of May 2020, as far as Bharati College Center is concerned. Maybe there are a few students who have joined from Dwarka Center. So those people can also see the website of IGNOU. Then I'm also seeing that students of MAPC, they are concerned about their practicals. See, practical classes for MAPC will start once the colleges are allowed to reopen. Till such time, kindly prepare for the theory classes. See, unless and until you are well versed with theory, as such also it's very difficult to perform the practical sessions. So be versed with the theory portions, and very, very soon we will be starting with the practical classes. Now, as far as Bharati College Center is concerned, you can note down my email ID, coordinator IGNOU Bharati. I am repeating, coordinator IGNOU Bharati. Bharati is BHARATI @gmail.com. So any queries, any questions, they are most welcome on this email ID of mine. And within 3 days, for sure, you will receive the reply. That is the maximum. I'll try to reply the same day.
You can post your questions.
You can also post your questions now on the chat. I'm just going through them. Whatever are there, I'll just answer them. Yes, IGNOU RC3 Delhi Dwarka is again an active study center. Okay, you want me to repeat the email ID? Email ID is coordinator IGNOU Bharati, BHARATI @gmail.com. See, the list of your assignments is there on the website of IGNOU. The examination forms for you will come out very late after September. And every information is there on the website of IGNOU. The virtual classes, again, there is a request. So as I have said, those will start from 2nd of May 2020. The schedule will be notified on this YouTube channel, as well as IGNOU as well as Bharati College website, IGNOU link, and the IGNOU website. The e-study material is there on e-Gyan. Then see, there is even on the television also, it is there. And it is known as Gyan Darshan. Then there is Gyan Vani. And as I have told you, that for one, say, then in Gyan Dhara also is there. And in this Gyan Dhara, it is a chat mode. I have received this individual query regarding MEG assignment that it is not there. I'll just find out about that and I'll try and get it posted. See, assignments by post should not be sent at present because of COVID-19. Even the assignments of this session students we are receiving on emails, and soft copies are being checked as far as the students who had joined in July 19 are concerned. I can't say about January 20. You students, whatever decisions will be taken, you just keep them prepared, keep them ready. If they have to be sent by email, it will be in PDF format. You have to scan it. So even if you are preparing it now as a hard copy, it will not go waste, because as such also you are supposed to scan it and send it to IGNOU. Okay, I think now you can put the assignment question paper, this and this is same or not. See, other queries I will answer on the mail. Kindly mail me. Thanks a lot, and very sorry, very sorry that Dr. Pandey was not there. We tried our best, but there was some technical snag for which we are really sorry. All the best for your preparation, for your assignments, and for your classes. See, this is all a new type of life which all of us are facing, and we have to work out solutions to it. All the best. Take care, all of you, and be safe. Thanks once again. मेरे को जितना